Hello aspirants, I am Indumati Karthikeyan from Inkar IAS Academy. Today we are going to see about 13th November Current Affairs 2024 Part 4. It's from Delhi edition. The major topic is Sri Lanka's multi-ethnic East reflects the challenge facing the Anura Kumara Disanayake. This topic which comes under the GS2 India and its neighborhood relationship. Anura Kumara, he is a leader of the National People's Power Alliance, and also he is elected in the 10th president of the Sri Lanka. Now, what is the challenge for the India? Let's see the Tamil issue, the major issue. Actually, the president it's not a favor of the implementation of the 13th Amendment of the Sri Lankan Constitution, dissolving power of the country's Tamil minority. The president elect has also opposed any investigation into the alleged war crimes committed during the civil wars between the liberation tigers of the Tamil Eelam and Sri Lankan forces, and also the anti-Indian stances. That is Janata Vimukti Peramuna party is also known for the foundation of the anti-India, and also they are pro for China. For the stance with the founding leader of the party, the late Rohana Vijayawada, calling out Indian expansionism in 1980s. For the Indian projects, the president focused on the sovereignty with likely to lead the re-engagement in terms of the various foreign projects. The president promised to cancel Gautam Adani's 450 megawatt wind power project in Sri Lanka if elected, describing the agreement as corrupt and also skewed against the Sri Lanka's interest. And also there is a exclusionary ideology. There is an ideology based exclusion of the minorities like the Tamil and Muslim from almost all realms activities. So the president was an active participant in the anti-India protest in 1987 and also opposing the India-Sri Lanka Accord, which remains the only document on which peace has been negotiated so far. Political headwinds in neighborhood. India is also witnessing so much of hostile political environment in its neighborhood countries like a communist Marxist government and also the Sri Lanka pro-China Islamist leading Maldives and also the Pakistan. There is a widespread political unrest is happening between the India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and also endangering is the regional security, though it will major concern for the India. But also we are having some opportunity for India building a goodwill. India has provided the Sri Lankan economy with assistance of over US dollar 4.5 billion and supported Sri Lanka debt restructuring efforts during the island nation economic crisis of 2022, resulting in a significant goodwill for India across political circles, which India can further build upon the good relationship with the Sri Lanka. But Indian security concern, the president assured as key policies stances to ensure Sri Lanka sea, land, and also airspace are not allowed to be used in the ways of the threaten who threaten India and the regional stability. Example: the past government has leased the Hambantota port to China firms. India's support in the development issue, the president elects focus on enhancing Sri Lanka's economic growth resilience without any falling prey to debt dependency with the China will provide the India with a considerable opportunities to support the country and the development issues. There is a balanced foreign policy approach, and also we have pursued balanced foreign policy approach, emphasizing the non-alignment and equidistance from the major powers in pursuit the Sri Lanka national interest. This may help India acquire certain controversial Chinese investment for itself, and also the engaging all the political spectrums. India and host president arranging a meeting with NSA, NSA Ajit Doval and Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar in a move widely seen as landing from the failed putting all eggs in a single basket strategy, that is Maldives and Bangladesh. Some reassurance. to Tamilians. That is, the president promises to hold election to provincial council, and also tier of a government that the JVP had once appointed must be reassuring the Tamils. And also, in the case of dairy sector, the new president interested in adopt a Amul model from India to develop the Sri Lanka's dairy sector. India can be partner for Sri Lanka by providing the expertise. And also there is a joint venture among India's National Dairy Development Board, the Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation, and also the Cargills of Sri Lanka, and self-sufficiency in the dairy sector was signed in the last year. First of all, we consider India and Sri Lanka relationship, that is very much important for our UPSC preparations. First, we should know actually there is a civilizational twins. We are Sri Lanka and India is considered as a twins, long-standing cultural, religious, and trade, person-to-person ties, and language since ancient times. Both the countries have a shared heritage manifested in the Ramayana stories, Buddhism practices of Ramayana, Hinduism. So everything we can share our heritage and cultural ties. The trade. India is a Sri Lanka's largest trading partner with a share of 1.6% total trade with the world, and also the third largest export destination after US and UK. More than 60% of the Sri Lankan exports enjoys the benefits of the India-Sri Lanka Free Trade Agreement. We are signing free trade agreement between India and the Sri Lanka. There is a tourism. Tourism is a very important crucial role plays in our relationship. Indian tourists constitute 70% of the total tourist arrivals in in the country. The largest tourism happening between India and Sri Lanka. The government of India formally launched a e-tourist visa scheme for Sri Lankan tourists in 2015. India and Sri Lanka entered into an open sky agreement in 2016 that enables Sri Lankan Airlines to operate the unlimited number of flights to India. And also we are providing the aid and assistance. The Indian Housing Project, the government of India flagship grant project in Sri Lanka, with an initial commitment to build 50,000 houses in war affected area, and also the estate workers in the plantation area. The development of the East Container Terminal at Colombo Port, funding the renovation of the cost of the Kankas Netrature port in northern provinces, and also we are a hybrid renewable energy system to build by India in three islands of Jaffna Peninsula, with around 11 million grants can provided. And also India offers about 17 scholarship slots annually to Sri Lankan students. And also the study in India program, that is also major initiative that Indian Institute provide a technical expertise across a diverse range of courses, and also includes the programs in niche disciplines like Ayurveda, yoga, and also for the Buddhism studies, everything. The regional cooperation, India and Sri Lanka are both members in South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, that is the Bay of Bengal Initiative, multi-sectoral technical and economic cooperation BIMSTEC, and also the IORA Indian Ocean Rim Association in South Asia. And also we are having the defense cooperation with joint military exercises like Mitra Shakti, and also the naval exercise like Slinex. So these are all things which is strategically connected with our Sri Lanka. Why we need Sri Lanka, why it's important for Indian arena. The geopolitical location, Sri Lanka is situated in a strategically significant location of the Indian Ocean region, very close to India's southern tip. That is approximately proximity makes it critical neighbor for India in terms of security and regional stability. And also we have maritime security. Sri Lanka's position in the Indian Ocean and the presence of crucial maritime checkpoints like the Park Strait and the Gulf of Mannar give it importance in maintaining India's maritime security interests. And also we have historical and cultural ties because we have deep rooted cultural and historical connection dating back centuries. The ties provide a strong foundation for the diplomatic relation and also people to people contact. The energy security. Sri Lanka's location makes a significant Indian energy security is a potential partner for regional energy projects and also including the renewable energy and also the power connectivity issues. The regional influence will be always happening both India and Sri Lanka play essential roles in the dynamic of South Asia. There is a collaboration, coordination, and also can significant impact in the regional effects. It contributes a peace and stability will widen our broader South Asian region, which is give our close ties with Sri Lanka Indian relationship. Thank you.